Imagine this. You wake up determined to work out. 30 minutes later, you're scrolling. You said you'd study. Instead, you're watching another video, just like this one. Be honest. How many times have you lost a battle to your own brain today? The truth is uncomfortable. You're not choosing your actions, yet your dopamine system is. Not because you're weak, not because you're lazy, but because your brain is running a survival script from 50,000 years ago. And if you don't take control of it, that script will keep running your life for you. Today, we're going to rewrite that script. Why discipline feels hard. Your brain has one primary job. Keep you alive using the least amount of energy possible. Hard work burns energy. Scrolling, snacking, comfort, easy, cheap, effortless. In the past, saving energy kept you alive. But today, that same instinct destroys your goals. Studying feels heavy. Gym feels overwhelming. But dopamine-rich distractions? Your brain says, yes, please. Here's the secret most people never learn. You're not undisciplined. Your brain is reward-trained for comfort, not growth. But we can change that. Dopamine misunderstood. The truth. Dopamine is not the reward chemical. It's the pursuit chemical. The juice that makes you chase something. Your brain releases dopamine before you do an action, not after. This means you don't crave achievement. You crave anticipation. Social media, junk food, notifications, they give tiny dopamine hits instantly. Your brain learns, why struggle? Pleasure is one tap away. But here's the problem. Too much dopamine, receptor downregulation, like turning the volume down on music that's too loud. You stop feeling motivated at normal levels. Work feels boring. Progress feels slow. Life loses spark. This isn't laziness, it's desensitization. Now, let's fix it. The dopamine reset. Your discipline blueprint. We are going to retrain your reward system like a muscle. 4 steps, simple but powerful. Phase 1, upper sinite. Remove the flood sources. Your brain needs a break from artificial dopamine spikes. For 72 hours, try removing the biggest triggers. TikTok/Reels, junk food, notification-based apps, dopamine-dense multitasking. Your brain will feel bored at first. Good. That's your receptors healing. Phase 2, replace, don't empty. Cutting dopamine isn't enough, you must redirect it. Swap cheap stimulation with deep rewards, reading, skill building, exercise, long-form focus work. When dopamine begins to release for effort, discipline becomes easier than distraction. Phase 3, friction engineering. Don't rely on motivation. Design your environment. Phone in another room, social apps deleted or buried, websites blocked during work. Make distraction difficult. Make productivity one step away. Design beats willpower, every time. Phase 4, the progress reward loop. To wire discipline into your identity, you must feel the win. After each session, do this. Check off a task. Track minutes studied. Celebrate progress out loud. Small wins release dopamine too, man, but without destroying your focus system. When discipline starts feeling good, here's what happens after 7 to 14 days of this reset. Tasks feel lighter, focus lasts longer. Boredom tolerance increases. The gym feels right. Learning feels rewarding. You begin craving improvement. You stop needing motivation to start. Your brain begins to reward effort automatically. That's the shift. You don't force discipline anymore. You default to it. Imagine waking up and wanting to work. Imagine studying without mental friction. Imagine controlling your brain instead of reacting to it. That version of you isn't far away. It's one decision away. Your life changes the moment you stop outsourcing your dopamine. You have 2 paths. Quick reward, long-term exhaustion. Delayed reward, long-term power. You already know which one leads to the future you want. So here's your challenge. Comment 1. Dopamine trigger you're removing this week. Social media, gaming, sugar. Say it publicly. Accountability rewires identity. If you're ready to build discipline, dopamine, and drive, hit subscribe, and let's reprogram your brain together. Not by force, but by design. Because no, you're not lazy. Your brain just needed a new script. And starting today, you're the author.